Hello viewers, welcome to Mesology. In this video we'll be learning about the female external genitalia, which is a continuation of the female reproductive system that I did in the last video. The female external genitalia is included in the syllabus of class 10 biology. It is even very essential for every growing girl to know about her external genitalia, firstly, so that she can take care of its cleanliness, and secondly, so that any kind of infection, bacterial or microbial, can indeed be prevented by healthy habits. The last part that we discussed in the female reproductive system was vulva. This vulva is made up of structures outside the vaginal opening. All such structures together make the female external genitalia. They include the following, as I will mention. The first is mons pubis. This is a round, fleshy area found below your belly and right in front of your pelvic bone. Pubic hair grows here. The next is labia majora. This is a fleshy outer fold of the protective skin located on either side of the vaginal opening. This can protect the more delicate external genitalia in a female. These folds of the labia majora are considered equivalent to the scrotum of a male. Next comes the labia minora. Skin folds that are just inside the labia majora are considered to be labia minora. Sometimes this labia minora may extend past the labia majora as well. Next we come to a very highly sensitive part of the external genitalia in female. This is called the clitoris. This clitoris sits at the top of the vulva, above the urethral opening. This is a fold of the skin called clitoris hood, which covers most of it, leaving the tip. The rest of the clitoris is a spongy shaft that goes back several inches inside the body. This clitoris, being a very highly sensitive part of the female external genitalia, this is considered to be equivalent to the male penis. Next we come to the urethral opening. This urethral opening is located below the clitoris. It is directly above the vaginal opening. This carries urine from the bladder to the outside. Then we have a vaginal opening. It is located between the urethra and the anus. The hymen, which is a muscular annular covering round the vaginal opening, that is located here. Then we have pairs of glands. The Bartholin's gland, that Bartholin's gland which sits on either side of the inside of vaginal opening. This releases a secretion which can lubricate the vagina, and this lubrication assists in making copulation, or what we call in general terms as intercourse, more comfortable or more pleasurable. This is indeed considered to be equivalent to the bulbourethral gland found in the male reproductive system. There is another paired gland called the skeme's gland. This is located on either side of the urethra. This is helpful in lubricating the urethral opening. They are sometimes referred to as the female prostates. So, these are equivalent to the prostate gland found in the males. There are also vestibular bulbs, which are homologous to the bulbs of the penis in males. These are structures formed from the corpus spongiosum tissue. There is the vulva vestibuli, which is an area between the labia minora. That is, between the two labia minora. Now let's know what are the functional activities of these parts of the external female genitalia. The first is about the menstrual flow. The menstrual flow leaves the body through these external genitalia. The sex or sexual intercourse for reproduction or pleasure is also more concerned to this area. The third is about the parturition, that these parts, they act as the birth canal for the baby. That is why there is high importance in the female body for the external genitalia as well. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Young girls, you need to take care of your private parts, keep them clean and indeed prevent them from any kind of infection. Like any other organ of your body, these are equally important because this helps in the process of reproduction, which indeed is the process of evolution as well as the maintenance of species. Thank you so much for watching.